You got one place go eat and not this Jamaican food, sir? No, sir.
Don't make it seem like the Charles and I've never been on a vacation on a cruise trip because we have. Because if you've been watching us, y'all see we went to Hawaii last year and we went to Jamaica also last year too. So we've been on cruises and we've been on resorts and stuff like that. And you know, we went to Jamaica and I can say that Jamaican food was disgusting. I couldn't get with it. I couldn't get with it. You know, so even they fried chicken at their little generic KFC wasn't even good to me, but Jamaican food just gave me a whole different taste. And I can't say that I did not like that. They did not. I mean, it was. And then not only that, the drinks. They don't have American liquor. They got Jamaican liquor, and they didn't have American like juices. They had Jamaican juices, and you know all of that tastes totally different from our American food. And it was not good at all for us. So I can't say that food sucked. But on the cruise, I can say that they just didn't have what I want. I'm not gonna say it didn't taste good. I'm just gonna say they didn't have what we wanted.